Hello guys, and welcome back to Bitcoin Crypto. So in this video, we're going to be giving a tutorial on OpenSea. So for those who don't know what OpenSea is, it's essentially a trading platform for NFTs on the Ethereum blockchain. And really, it's the main one and it's the most popular one. So if you're ever trying to buy, sell, trade, bid, or do anything else with NFTs regarding buying and selling, OpenSea is probably the place that's going to happen. So lots of popular NFT collections, if you've just heard of them, or even if they're less popular and they're on the Ethereum blockchain, they're probably all going to be going through OpenSea. So let's just check out OpenSea and we'll give a brief tutorial on how to use it, how to buy NFTs, how to get them set up, how to trade them, bid on them, and sell them. So without further ado, let's just get into the video. So before I start, I'd like to mention that for the purposes of this video, I'm going to be using the testnet of OpenSea. And all this is essentially means that when I do demonstration trades, it's not going to actually affect my real world balance. But everything here is the exact same as you would do on the real OpenSea, which is just this exact same link without testnets. So what you first want to do is go to OpenSea.io, just like that. And this is the main website. So once you're on the main website, again, I'm going back to the testnet just to show that we can go from here. I'm going to log out so you'll see what it looks like for you. You should be able to go over here and click Profile. And once you click Profile, you'll say Connect your wallet. And what you want to do is find your wallet that you have. So it's whichever wallet that you want to use for this. It's going to be an Ethereum wallet. And you can hit show more options. They've actually got a lot of options. You can see all of the options that they have. But the main one that most people use that I've seen is MetaMask. They say it's the most popular one here, and it's what I personally use. So just for the purposes of this, we'll just set up with MetaMask, but it really doesn't matter for most of the things that we'll show you in this video. So we'll hit MetaMask, and just like that, you should have a screen pop up like this, connect with MetaMask. So if you have multiple MetaMask accounts, you'll see them here. You can just select the ones that you'd like. So I'm just going to select this one. That's by default. And that's whichever one you had selected. And you can see the balances down here. Then you can hit next. From there, it will ask to view the addresses of your permitted accounts. And that's required. So we're just going to hit connect. And just like that, you're in. So because OpenSea is just associated with your wallet address, it's great because it means that there's not anything like a login or a password that you're going to need. So nothing's associated with your email, your name. You can put a name if you want. You can see just here I'm unnamed. And all it has is my name that I can put, my wallet address, and when I joined. So it's really great if you're not really into KYC or you don't like all these companies having a bunch of information, because really it's pretty decentralized and it's kind of hard to know what's going on if you don't want it to be out there public. So from here, I just like to give you a very brief tutorial of just kind of how to use OpenSea in terms of searching for things, finding collections, and then from there we'll go into things like how to buy things, how to bid on things, and then also how to sell things just briefly as well. But what you can do is I'll just go back to the home screen by clicking this up here. And here you can see this is just the home page. So you've got the option to explore or create NFTs. And you can actually mint NFTs on OpenSea. Mint meaning kind of create them for yourself. So if I were to go to create, all I would do is I could upload an image that I have and kind of add descriptions, add rarity, and I could make it an NFT. So that's a really cool thing that they offer, and it just goes right to their platform. How are you trying to find different projects? Is you can find them just based on the top collections. You can search for them. So if I were to search for Happy Frog Prince, there it is. There's a collection. You can also search for different individual NFTs. So this is a collection. But if I were to search for the Happy Frog Prince number 6, then I could just click on that and it would bring me right to the item. So this is what the item screen looks like. What you've got is this one here is based on bidding, and there's no offer yet. But you can see that right now it's just minted 2 days ago, so it's a relatively recent project. There are two types of listings on OpenSea. The first type of listing is called a fixed price listing. And essentially what this fixed price listing is all it is you just put it up and you have it for a fixed price. So let's say this Happy Frog Prince were a fixed price listing. And the fixed price happened to be 1 Ethereum. All that would mean is if I wanted this NFT, I would pay 1 Ethereum for it, no more, no less. And then if I paid that amount, it would be mine. Then there is another option. Again, this is the second option, and that's called a timed auction. And all that is an auction, and it goes on for a certain period of time until it stops. All right, so I just finished finding two different types of buying options for NFTs on here. The first one is this Pearl one, and this is a bidding type of NFT. And the second one is Ether Meow, and that is a buy now kind of type. So I figured I'd just stop with the talking and kind of show you exactly how it's done. So for the first option, if you were trying to bid on an NFT, this is how you would place a bid on it. So you can see we've got this lovely Pearl kind of clam NFT here. And if I wanted to place a bid on it, first of all, what I'd have to do is I would have to convert it to wrapped Ethereum. Again, that's the same thing as Ethereum in terms of price, but you have to convert it. Now, unfortunately, because I'm on the test net here, because I'm not trying to spend my real money on this NFT, I'm not able to place a bid on it because I can't get wrapped ETH on the test net. But this would be the exact process as you would do it on the normal mainnet. So what you do is you would hit place bid, and you can see, before I hit that, you can see the offers that have been made. So you can see it expires in 2 years, and the offer that was made was 0.0011 wrapped Ethereum. And then you can also see the listings. So here's what I'll do. I'll just hit place bid. Then you have to go through this and hit I understand. It will just say it's unreviewed collection or whatever. And then you'll put it, what your bid is in wrapped ETH. So let's say I'll bid 0.002. And you can see I don't have any wrapped ETH to place the bid, so anything I put won't work because I can't have that on the testnet. But if you were in a similar situation and you don't have wrapped Ethereum, what you can actually do is hit convert ETH. So if you hit convert ETH and just hit right here, you can put Ethereum. And then what you will be able to do is you can hit however much Ethereum you want to convert or however much wrapped ETH that you want to bid. So let's say 0.1. And from there, you can just go, here, let me quit this. From there, you can hit wrap. And just like that, it will wrap it up. So this is what I do on the testnet. I would just hit confirm. And from there, it's pending. So now, hopefully, if this goes well, I will have wrapped ETH on my testnet, which is the same process that you would do if you have normal Ethereum and you want to get wrapped ETH so that you can bid on an NFT. The thing is, this will cost a gas fee, an additional gas fee, to convert your Ethereum to wrapped ETH. So just be wary of it and how much gas you're spending. All right, so that has been converted. It's very quick on the testnet here, and hopefully now I will be able to make a bid. So what I can do now is I'll refresh the page, and I'll hit place bid, go through this again, and I will put 0.002. And there we go. So now I have my wrapped Ethereum that I converted from my regular Ethereum. Just using this option, it pops up right here. And then I'll put that in and I'll hit place bid. So as soon as I hit place bid here, I should get a MetaMask notification. And make sure not to hit that multiple times or else things might happen. But just click it once and then you should have this thing that says sign. And just like that, your order was submitted successfully. Now, depending on what you might do, you might have a gas notification thing or something else that says other than sign. But you just want to be aware of the gas fees and check if you're not overspending in gas. And if you have that, you'll just hit accept. I didn't in this instance. And now you can see my bid was successful, and the top bid is now mine at 0.002 wrapped Ethereum. So that is exactly how you would bid on one of these bidding NFTs on OpenSea. And if this were to be the top bid eventually after the bidding session is over, then the NFT would be mine. Now, this is how you do it a bit more simply with just the flat out flat price NFT things. So here I've gotten quite lucky because this one is a price of 0 Ethereum. So what I will do is I could either make an offer on it and the creator would see it. So if I wanted to do that, I would click make offer, type in the amount, and type in when the offer expires. But for this, I will just do buy now. So it just has this checkout screen, and you'll just want to hit confirm checkout. Then it may redirect you to their website, and you can see now this is the one that I have. So moving on to the second way of buying, which is just the immediate buy, this is what it will look like. So you've got the option that says buy now. Here we've got this lovely time travel ape art, number 77. And you can see there's buy now and there's also make offer. So make offer is similar to bidding, except it's not like the best one wins. It's kind of like an offer that's just sent to the seller of the NFT. And then they will see that offer and they can decide whether to sell it for you below this current price or whatever they've asked for it. Or so you can make an offer below the asking price and they can decide whether to accept it or not. But this is their asking price, 0.01 Ethereum. So what I will do is, well, first of all, if I wanted to make an offer, I would just click here. I would hit this checkbox, and then I would type in the amount that I wanted to offer. So let's say I wanted to meet them halfway, and then choose when it expires. So I can put 3 days and then hit make offer. I won't do that right now, but that's exactly how I would do it if I wanted to do that. But I want to show you guys how to actually buy now and have this. So what I would do is I would hit buy now. Again, just check this out, and you can just hit checkbox if it's the one you want. And then hit confirm checkout. Again, only once, or else some things might happen with your MetaMask. And here it goes. There's my MetaMask. Then you should check the gas fees as always. I think I'm sounding like a broken record here, but you don't want to make sure that your gas fees aren't costing more than the NFT. And then I just hit that and it is processing. So after that, there it goes. My purchase has been processed and it is my first NFT that I've purchased on the testnet. So if I wanted to see this, I can click on the transaction hash, or I could just go into my wallet here. If I hit profile right here, profile, then I can see right here, it's collected. So you can see the price that I paid for it, and there it is in my wallet, owned by me. So that is how to buy and sell NFTs on OpenSea. I hope this video helped you a lot. If it did, or if you have any questions, just please feel free to let us know in the comment section below. And that's it. Thank you very much for tuning in to Betterment Crypto. We'll see you in the next video.